Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the most popular programming languages, Python. Python is very simple than any other programming language because its syntax is just same as plain English. Let's see how to print hello world in Python. We just need to write print now you see we have print hello world. If you want to print a number, you just write print your number here 15. So Python is simple. You don't need to write a lot of things to print a text or print a number. Just write print your text, print your number. Yeah, that's how simple Python is. Let's talk about variables in Python. A variable is a container that stores a value. You give it a name and assign a value to it using the equal sign. For example, age is equal to 15. Age is our variable which stores the value 15. So age is our container. We can also print age. Name and you can print name. So let's talk about data types in Python. In Python we have several data types. We have integers, floating point numbers, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and complex numbers. So let's start with integers. Integer, as you know in mathematics, are numbers without any fraction part. They can be 0, positive, or negative. Let's create a variable num and give it a number 5. 5 is an integer because it doesn't have any fraction part. So we can also print num if you run our program, you see num is 5. So now let's talk about floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are real numbers with floating point representation. They are specified by a decimal point. If you see now, our variable num has the number 5.5. So this has a fraction part 0.5 or 0.5. That's our fraction part. So numbers which contains the fraction part, these are floating point numbers in Python. Let's talk about strings. A string can be defined as a sequence of characters enclosed in single, double, or triple quotation marks. If we have x we can put it in double quotes. We can also put it in a simple triple quotes, like here. Here's our triple quotation marks. Let's talk about booleans. A boolean is a data type that has one of two possible values, true or false. They are mostly used in creating the control flow of a program using conditional statements. A is true and B is false. Now let's talk about lists. A list are ordered sequence of one or more types of values. They are mutable. Their items can be modified. They are created by enclosing items separated by commas inside the square brackets. Let's create a variable, my list, a square bracket. So now let's talk about tuples. Tuple like a list. Tuples are also an ordered sequence of one or more types of values, except for they are immutable. Their values can't be modified. So when talking about mutable, it means the values can be changed for list, but here in tuples the values are immutable. We can't change the values in a list. So let's create a variable, my tuple. So now you see it has printed 110.0 ha ha ha. That's our tuple. So now let's talk about dictionaries. In Python, dictionaries are an ordered collection of pairs, key, value. Dictionaries are of type dict. The element of dictionary are enclosed in indicated braces. My dict, that's a variable name, my dict. And we have a key here, name, and the value, Tom. A comma, and the key, age, and the value, 30. Sets in Python are an ordered collection of elements. They contain only unique elements. They are mutable. Their values can be modified. They are created by elements separated by commas enclosed in indicated braces. So now let's talk about complex numbers. Complex numbers are of the form a plus bj, where a is a real part, b imaginary part, and j is the square root of -1. So far we have learned about variables and data types in Python. These are the basic building blocks of Python programming language. In the next video, we will explore how to work with input and output.